It's a beautiful day in the city. The perfect day for the urban selfie race. We're about to discover through a series of urban selfie challenges who is the best selfie taker in the world. This is Chloe, and this is Zoe. Chloe gets this standard selfie stick. Zoe gets the brand new Pictar Smart-Light Selfie Stick. It has a 6-button control panel that connects to your phone wirelessly through a powerful app and lets you adjust the zoom, easily play with exposure, switch between front and rear cameras, and even change the phone's angle. On top of that, it has a detachable headlight with 3 power levels for awesome lighting. Hello ladies! Your first challenge is taking a selfie using only one arm. Ready, set, selfie. Zoe turns on her Pictar app. Chloe tries to change her phone's angle but can't seem to make it. Zoe reaches for the tilt function on her stick's control panel. Brilliant move! Just one arm, Chloe. Those are the rules. Let's see how they did. Are you ready for the next challenge? Find 2 strangers and get them together for a group shot. Ready, set, selfie. Chloe gets her group together. Zoe grabs her own group. Chloe can't seem to adjust her zoom. Zoe zooms out without touching her phone. Nice try, Chloe. Let's see what they've got. Your next challenge is the video twirl. For this challenge, you will take 3-second videos of yourselves spinning in place. Ready, set, selfie. Zoe uses the Pictar app to switch to video mode at the click of a button. She finds her perfect angle with her tilt function. Chloe struggles. Zoe snaps on her headlight. Adding light to your video can make it better even during the day. Very smart, Zoe. Let's see how they did. Okay, ladies, are you ready for your final selfie challenge? Take the most breathtaking sunset selfie you possibly can. Ready, set, selfie. Zoe's bringing out the big guns by bringing back her headlight. Chloe is left in the dark. Wow, what a natural. Let's see how you did. Both of you were amazing contestants, but there can only be one winner. And the winner is the Pictar Smart-Light Selfie Stick! The world's most innovative selfie stick has proven to consistently take the best-looking, most flattering selfies each and every time. This is the second and more advanced version of the Pictar Smart Selfie Stick that changed the way we all take selfies with its multiple features. The team behind it has successfully crowdfunded and shipped 5 other photography gear campaigns. Back us now and be the first to get your hands on the Smart-Light Selfie Stick. The Pictar Smart-Light Selfie Stick makes you look good every time.